our daughter to do our first hearing screening or whatever you want to call it. And after that, we have like a surprise, huh?
We're not, it's no surprise. We're going to the pet store and then we're gonna go get some Starbucks.
Yeah, she haven't got Starbucks in like a year or 2 years.
It's been a hot minute.
So when I was working at Church Road, I was the restaurant with her. She's a kind of what's it called, green tea latte.
Matcha.
Green tea matcha. Anyways, so she used to bring that. It used to be so interesting. So I think we might get that today. Do I have my wallet? Yeah, I do. But yeah, I think we might get that today. So we'll let you guys see our journey today, you know? So stick around. So we just arrived at the library. I don't know why they don't hear screaming at the library and all those stuff. But we're so this is the library where she's gonna do her hearing, her scream for a hearing. Hey, look, a little bubble. Hi, little cute baby. I guess we gotta leave. Yeah, try to come out there. Friend is way around, baby. No. I hope it's not long. Do I need to carry my wallet? My wallet is not car. It's not too big for my pocket, you know? Big without money. There's so much people here, eh?
What's the spot in here? I used to play Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go, where?
Here, there's so many stops.
It would like to be interesting to see you play Pokemon Go.
Because I still had it at the playing store.
Yeah. What's your favorite character?
I mean, I don't remember them like that. It was just fun
Pikachu?
to play. You just go for a walk. And then you sit right here, the train stops right here.
Pokemon Go. Interesting. So we got the city of the city of Pickering.
Oh, remember when the lady that did that thing? And she wanted to see a picture of the baby?
Which lady?
Think, the old lady.
Oh, the old lady.
Yes.
Oh, that's really low.
Yes.
That one? Oh no.
I saw her picture.
You send her?
Yeah.
That's nice. Do you know where to go? Huh? Yes, ma'am.
Walking straight and you'll see like a room with 3 windows. It's just like
So we are here. Assessment ward there. So we're at the library. Like they have a screen test to be done for babies at the library. So that's where we are right now. Interesting. Infant hearing. So you guys can see infant hearing.
I'll be doing baby's hearing screen. Okay.
Okay.
Just gonna confirm your info here. Baby was born at Ajax Pickering Hospital.
Yeah.
Healthy throughout pregnancy and birth.
Yep.
Any history of permanent childhood hearing loss in either one of you?
No.
And you're both baby's parents, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Really interesting. Kind somebody else. I'm not the parent.
Does baby have brothers or sisters?
No.
Okay, and you're still with CARCH.
MENT.
Thank you. Okay, so what I'll be doing is placing a little microphone into each of her ears one at a time. It's gonna play very soft beeping sounds into her ears. The ears send back an echo of the beeping sounds, and the machine reads the echo. If I don't get a pass or a result from today's screen, then we'll book for a retest. Okay. Doesn't hurt. She just might be annoyed.
You want my help?
No, she's okay for now.
Okay.
She just doesn't want to turn her head.
So how does this work?
So I explained before, this plays soft sounds into the ears. The ears send back an echo of those sounds. The machine reads the echo.
Oh, okay, I
The
see.
sound goes to the cochlea, the part of the ear in the inner ear. There's hair cells, they bend when they detect sound, and when they come back up, they send an echo. So your ears are doing it, mine are doing it. That's how we
Okay,
know
I see.
everything's functioning.
So it's like
properly.
sound wave going in and then the sound back in.
Exactly,
Okay, I see.
yeah.
Okay,
So
I
we
see.
know that
Interesting.
Everything's working properly. Because if it wasn't, then she wouldn't pass the screen because no sound would be coming out.
Hey, Mama. So how did she do?
You passed?
Ah, you passed your first test, eh?
So I'm
got
gonna give
many
you
more.
guys a sheet of paper that says she passed. Just show it to her doctor at her first appointment.
So her screaming is done. Baby can hear her perfectly. Were you worried at any point?
No.
I mean, she reacted to someone's at home, so I mean, I wasn't worried either. But yeah, I'm happy that we get this over. This is our first phase. You know, she can see properly. You know, she can hear properly. Now you need to say Dada, Dada. Okay, say Dada, Dada. She's gonna say Dada before Mommy. What you have before to say about that?
I don't care.
She's gonna say Dada before Mommy. She's gonna be saying Dada, 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 Dada.
I got to grow her. The best part.
Best part, yeah? Yeah. Okay.
I'm not
So,
going down here.
so where we off to?
That's smart.
Oh, okay. I thought it was Starbucks first, but we're going to PetSmart
Starbucks
first.
on the way home, so
Oh, so we have to go way up Pickering back? Or Rock?
I mean, just take instant.
Okay.
Yeah, take her back.
Yeah, let's do that then. She's telling me she used to play rugby. Does she look like a rugby player? Muscle, let me see. Show your muscles, sis. Anterior best, eh? She had to play sports. I told her she's gonna be a soccer player. You didn't believe me? Hey, she's not finished. Hold this. Hold this. She's not finished. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Looking at it. So we at PetSmart. Gonna get some treats for our cat and dog. Can I get a parrot next year? Can I get a parrot next year? Huh?
I'm getting a pet.
So mean. Huh? It's not in your face, sis. Just in case. It's okay, go to where you wanna go, show them fish. He's a kid crying. Yes, guys, show you guys fishes. You change up in here a lot. You just have a lot of fish here, but I guess fish now. No, that's okay. They got limited animals here today. But yeah, these things are interesting. You should buy it for now. It seems comfortable. So Brianna is getting cheat for Nala. I probably get a toy for Kyle, but his birthday is in 2 days. Why does he really need a toy? Bri? His birthday is in 2 days. Why does he need a toy?
In case you can keep it in the car.
Okay, what toy should we get him? Did you find the treat for them already? Yeah. Why does Kylo cheat have a cow on it?
Beef it.
That big cow on it. Isn't that a great day? Look, isn't that a great day? Yeah, it seems like a great name, puppy. Come, let's go to the beach. All these beds. Okay. Wait, you think he's like sheep bones? Can I buy him this? Bro, what kind of animal is this? There's a dog on it. You only can take this outside. There's a dog on it. It says smoke bone. OS. I don't know what kind of bone is that, bro, to be honest. Interesting. You talking to somebody in the front? What treats should you get? That's the only section for treats? For toys, I should say? Oh, let's go there. Come on, my son. Just doing that. I'll come back and probably get him something for his birthday too. Feel like he can bite a hand. Okay.
It's a kangaroo bone.
Kangaroo, what? Yeah. From Australia?
Yeah.
A large kangaroo chopper. I'll come back and get him those stuff. Let's go see if we can find treats.
Treats?
Ties, I should say. Why I keep saying treats? This guy tear up every toy he get. I don't see what toys you can buy and he's not gonna just mash up again. You think you would like this?
It's a tire on it.
It's soft. It's not like tire. I feel it. It's kind of interesting. It's gonna bite up there. Even this, I think this would be nice for him.
Why?
Do
Do you play frisbee with him?
you play with him?
No.
Okay.
I don't know what's on it.
Okay, but what's that?
I'm saying, like, you put treats in here.
Wait,
Yes,
Kyla's gonna eat up that in 1 second. You can't buy those stuff for Kyla. Oh, word. You're still tough enough like you can't back. That's good.
He has things that are tough, though.
Feel this. Kind of soft and tough enough. Feel it? Getting this? Okay, let's come back and decide something for his birthday. I think we should just come back and decide what to get him for his birthday next time.
Why?
Okay, but choose something
So,
now.
what's the difference choosing now or Wednesday?
So choose it now. See, you don't know what to choose, so you want me to choose.
I always get him choice.
I never get him choice? Wow. See,
Let
I
him
never
play
get my
once. From Walmart.
From Walmart. How about this? This is interesting. It's something we would have buy it up, man. Get him in this. Here, Carlo, buy this. It's like a rope, but it's plastic, but get him in this. Get him back. Okay, let's go to checkout.
I'm not done. We just gave him one thing. I'm no love for him.
He said I don't love him, eh? What's that? Buy one, get two. That's what he said? Buy two, get one. Why would you want more one?
I mean, you can get a bunch of things.
Oh, that's for everything in here?
Like that.
Oh,
Might as well get 3.
whatever. It's money. Kylo, you're a rich boy. So yeah, we're looking some ties for Kylo. So we got 2. Which other one are you gonna take? You just feel like the disc. I should try a minute this. Where's the one I always thought? This don't even have a price on it though.
There's nothing. I think sometimes I'm about to get 30.
Me, but everything else have it. Kind of all those toys and tree stuff. His birthday is in 2 days. Let's go see if we see kiddies.
I feel bad. Now I never have nothing silly. It's really just nothing.
What? Said no, that doesn't have no toys because I started too much now.
Yes. Look at the thing, the box.
This one? Excuse me a second. Thank you. Okay, let's go to the cat section. See if the cat is there. Let's see if the cat is there.
Makes me sad.
We'll make you sad. Did you have one home already?
Yeah, I want to save them all.
There's always cat for adoption here. Let's see if they have none today. There's a dog we're adopting it.
We don't have dogs here. We don't have a dog.
How do you know? Can you see from sideways?
That's good.
No cats. So yeah, we're gonna get that. Then we go to Starbucks now, right? Are you excited?
Are you going to get fish?
Yeah, I'll probably get some fish to cook. So we're pulling up at Starbucks drive-thru now. You gonna order?
Should I get?
Yeah, whatever you want. It's right here, right?
I'm good. How are you?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What can I grab for you?
Did I get a venti iced matcha latte with oat milk
Okay. Anything else with that?
and sweet cream cold foam?
Okay.
That's everything.
Perfect. 904. Come on up.
Thank you.
I could have come by this, bro. I would have said green tea latte. That's what I would have done. Have you ordered a venti? What? Say that again. A venti
Iced matcha latte.
iced
In the winter,
matcha latte.
I get the hot one. It's good.
Oh, I see.
Actually,
Thank you. Here you go, Bubba. Sorry, excuse me. A venti? What? I love China and still can't remember.
venti. It's venti. Iced matcha latte with oat
A venti iced matcha latte with oatmeal. Okay, I'll try to remember that. Oat milk? And then foam. What kind of foam?
sweet cream foam.
Sweet cream foam. That's not sweet, brother. The foam is not sweet when I taste it. But yeah, we're at Starbucks, I know, you know. Getting our favorite drink she haven't get in a while, so should enjoy. But yeah.
I feel like there's a better version or something I could add to it, but I haven't done my research.
It's good though. It's like a, if you're Jamaican, they would say that tastes like a washout. You know, washout, like a medicine for the belly. But yeah, it's a good like tea. Something different. You know, we're drinking all these other teas like black tea, white tea, brown tea. It's a good tea. Okay, thank you very much. That's right. A little good venti latte, chata, la la la. Whatever you want to name. Okay, let me see. Show them. That's how it look, guys. So you want to try it for them? Can we exit here? That's done.
You don't see how narrow it was for you to get in?
So we have to go way down the center, Marco?
Pretty much. I mean, you can bust in front right here. Look at it. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
What happened?
It could be like, I feel like I could add something to it to make it sweeter. Or something.
I think it's good. No fruit needed.
Not fruit, just like you can add like pumps of like vanilla or like mocha or something. But like,
Tastes good. Tastes like some milk powder, but with a green
Tastes
tea.
like tea.
Nice flavor to it.
Something more sour.
So yeah, we're going home now. We went to a pet store. Went to did our baby first screening for a hearing test. What else?
We didn't film, but we got stuff at the grocery store.
Oh yeah, we got fishes. Gonna steam some fish. Nice okras and stuff. If you're yard man, I know about that. But yeah, pretty much. So see you until next time. We'll see you again. We've got a nice juice, you know. Peace out.